Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This amazing Afro curly hair is from none other than Luvme Hair. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, how I like the hair, and how to wear it glueless without any spray or any glue at all, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. Me know where you want and need.
Alright, so you guys know this hair is from Luvme Hair. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video. They're always sending the most beautiful hair ever. And this right here is the hair, you guys. It is the 5x5 Afro Curly bob. And it's absolutely gorgeous. You can tell the lace is super nice. This is inside. There's 2 pins on the side for grip. There's also an elastic for the grip at the bottom and a clip at the bottom also. And now I'm just letting you guys see the texture. This is just absolutely beautiful. It's giving natural curly hair.
I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into.
Alright, and now I'm just trying on the wig for you guys to see how it looks straight out the box. And already, you guys, I'm amazed. This is really nice. And I don't know if you can tell, but the knots are really small. They're really small. So I don't even need to bleach the knots or anything. And right now, I'm just amazed with the texture. Like, this is really giving Afro curly natural hair. So yeah, I'm loving it right now. And the lace, you already know, we're going to make sure that that blends in with our skin because we're going to wear this wig without any glue or any spray at all. So to achieve that blend look, I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer along with this flat brush, and I'm just going to make sure to just put that all over the lace, focusing on the actual hairline because that's where you're going to cut the lace, and you want it to really blend in with your skin so it looks like it's coming from your scalp.
I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that.
Alright, and now I'm putting it back on so you can see how nicely it blends in with my skin. And look at that. You can't even see the lace. Like, this is what you call amazing quality lace. This is an undetectable lace. Luvme Hair's famous undetectable lace. So yeah, I just showed you guys the before and after of how it looks. And now all we need to do really is cut that lace. But before I do that, I am just trying to stretch out the hair a little bit to get a little bit more length. So the texture of this hair is beautiful and it's giving me 4B, 4C kinky curly. So I'm just trying to let the length show. I could wet it and make it super curly, but honestly I just really like the texture of it, like straight out the box. So I think this is how I'm gonna keep it.
Why you tryna fight just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
This is gorgeous, you guys. This is giving me Diana Ross type of vibes. I love it. I love it. All right, so after I'm done doing that, and you can do that as much as you can or as little as you want to, but I really want it to be nice and, you know, a lot of volume and nice and fluffy. So now to cut the lace, you guys know, if you're new here, this is how I do it. I always cut up and down in a up and down motion, because if you cut it just, you know, in a straight line, it's not gonna look good. It's not going to just blend in with your scalp.
When I'm tryna build it up, I wish I could make you stop. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna
I just tightened the band a bit because you want it to be nice and snug, but not too tight where it gives you a headache, so that you can wear it without any glue. And yeah, this is it right now. It's blending in really nicely already. But we're not done just yet. We still have to make it blend in a little bit more because you can still see the lace, which is fine. Yeah, I mean, you can wear it like this if you want to, but you already know with me, we're gonna try our best to blend it in super nice so that it could really be undetectable.
Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right.
Can you tell that I am feeling myself? Like, I love it. All right, so now it's time to do some baby hairs to get it nice, and you know, like the sides you can kind of see the lace still, so what will fix that is a bit of baby hair, as I always do. Oh, and also when you do baby hair on a closure, it makes it look like a frontal, so I highly encourage that. So now I just sectioned off a part just like that, and that's what I'm going to use for the baby hair. So I'm going to take an eyebrow scraper and I'm going to cut it so that it could be nice and short for it not to be too long, so that it can blend in nicely.
Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone.
And then I take my mousse. You can take any mousse at all. I use Herbal Essence, that's just what's on hand, but you can use any any mousse. And I'm just going to put that on there so that I can lay it down.
Show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one.
And then I'm going to take my edge brush, well, the comb side of it, and I'm just combing it through in a downwards motion as so that it could be nice and laid and so that I could look so cute. And finally, for the finishing touches, I'm going to go in again with my bronzer, because sometimes it depends on the lighting, but you can still see the lace if you don't glue it down. So I'm just going on that one more time. But look at how that just looks like it's coming out of my scalp, you guys. Like, this Luvme Hair's undetectable lace is always a go-to. Like, I highly, highly recommend that.
You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness.
All right, you guys, this is the final result. I am extremely happy. Luvme Hair honestly never lets me down. One thing about Luvme Hair, you guys, is I see sometimes in the comments people say, oh, they always send influencers the best hair. No, I stand by Luvme Hair because I buy their hair with my own money also, and it's just always so amazing. Even my sister buys from them and the hair is just amazing, you guys. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for sponsoring this video. This hair is absolutely beautiful. It's giving natural, you know, TWA type of vibes. I'm loving it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.
Yeah, why you gonna leave when I need you the most?